In today's video, I'm going to teach you to be able to light and dark modes with color variables in Figma, how to create mode inheritance. First, open the Figma website in your browser and head to the file or page where you want to work. Give the canvas a moment to load so everything is ready. Having your design open will let you see changes instantly as we set up variables. Next, open the Variables panel. You can access it from the toolbar or the right side interface, depending on your layout. This is the control center where you'll define reusable values and tell Figma how those values should change between light and dark looks. Think of variables as named color tokens you can apply throughout your design for consistency and easy updates. Now, click Create Variable and choose Color as the type. This makes a color token rather than a number or string. Give your variable a clear, future-proof name so you'll recognize it later, like a primary or background color. You'll see a field where you can set its value. Here is where the modes come in. In the Variables panel, you can set up multiple modes for the same variable, typically light and dark. Start by using your light values as the default. Pick accessible, on-brand colors that look good on bright backgrounds. Then add a dark mode. In Figma, dark can inherit from light, which means every variable will use the light value unless you specifically override it in dark. That's mode inheritance, and it's incredibly powerful. You only change what needs to be different, like flipping a background from a light gray to a deep charcoal, or adjusting a text color for contrast, while everything else continues to follow the light definition automatically. Assign your light color in the light mode field, then switch to dark and enter the appropriate dark value where needed. If a color should be identical across modes, simply leave it untouched in dark and it will inherit the light value. This keeps your system lean and prevents accidental inconsistencies. Feel free to explore the Variables panel while you work. Toggle between modes to preview results and double-check contrast so text remains readable in both themes. Remember, once these color variables are in place, you can apply them to fills, strokes, and effects across your designs for instant, synchronized updates whenever you refine a value. That's it. By opening Figma, accessing variables, creating a color variable, and assigning light and dark values with mode inheritance, you've built a flexible theming foundation that scales gracefully.